Part of this is very important chapter, really question of teaching of grammar. This is very important chapter, there is a question of teaching of grammar. It plays very important role in English, part of history, because whole English depends on this, and this. This is as such chapter, right? So, part of speech, definition. What is a part of speech? What is a part of speech? What is part of speech? What is a part of speech? Words are divided. Words are divided into 8 parts according to their use, called part of speech. Called part of speech. Right? This is right? और आप इसको you take down below. और any grammatical class of words divided i.e. noun, pronoun, verb, etc. Verb etc. Called part of speech. Called part of speech. Called part of speech. Real definition, or you can say another word. You see, in this definition only, the words are adjusted in such a manner that all the definitions should not have any other meaning except part of speech. माने कि sentence may differ, but meaning should not be differed. This is called transformation. You can change the shape or form of the sentence, but meaning should not be changed. This is called transformation. This is called transformation. ठीक? Are categories of words are placed according to their grammatical function, called part of speech. Called part of speech. Or you can say words are divided in different classes or kinds called part of speech. Called part of speech. Right? Called part of speech. Or you can say, एक कागज थोड़ा मिटा के दीजिएगा. यार you can say that each of categories of words are assigned are assigned accordance with its grammatical, semantic function, ठीक, राइट। ठीक है।